Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off iCloud on your iPad. So just go to settings right here. Then we could scroll all the way down to the bottom here. We can see iCloud. Otherwise I believe we can just go to our name. And then here's iCloud listed right here. Now to turn this off, we have the storage option on the top. You can see you only have so much storage before you get a bunch of messages saying you have to buy it. So we can go to just iCloud. And we can go through each individual thing here. So let's go to Save to iCloud. And then we have photos. So we can turn off the photos. So you can go to Download and Keep Originals. Going down. And you can just turn off each individual thing under here, like Health. Turn it off. It says Sync to this iPad. So just turn that off. Messenger. So you got all these different apps and features on your iPad. You can just turn off the sync. Doesn't look like there's one specific thing. You just have to come through here and just turn off backup, save to iCloud, etc. And then you should be good to go. Then you don't have to worry about your photos automatically backing up to iCloud. It'll just be saved on your device now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out.